Hi there, Wade Sellers here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you a really cool feature about Bublup, and it's all about email. You can actually email things from Bublup to people without going out of Bublup. Check this out. So I've got my Bublup open here, and I have this folder, You Gotta See This. If I open this up, I just have a bunch of resources, and let's say I wanna share some of these out. So to select a bunch of them, you can just long press on one item, or you can hit the three dots menu up top, hit select, and let's choose a few. Let's choose these three right here. Perfect. Now in the top right, hit the three dots menu again, hit email, and send it wherever you like. Once you send it, it's done. Okay, let's go over to my email client. You see it pop up right here. And now I've got 1, 2, and 3 pieces of information from Bublup directly in an email, okay? Even this video, this is a video that I uploaded to Bublup. If I tap on it right here, it goes to a little Bublup landing page so that someone can watch the video there. If they watch it on desktop, they could even download it onto their machine. This is a really slick way to pass files around through email without actually moving the file through email. Okay, let's take it one step further. What about the whole folder? Lots of items, all right? In Bublup, if you have 20 items, you can send them all in an email and they'll all show in the email. After 20 items, it does something else. Let me show you what it does. If I go to another folder, Apps Weekly, it's my little newsletter I do for fun, and I go to issue 25, inside this folder, I'm gonna have more than 20 links, okay? More than 20 articles I wanna send. But let's say I wanna send them all to somebody. That's totally reasonable. If I go back out, three dots menu, select, choose issue 25, and then do the three dots menu, email, you're gonna see a new window pop up. It's gonna say, emailing the selected items will create a role, okay? So there's more items than we're gonna put in the email, it's gonna create a role. I hit continue, and now the email screen pops up. So what's going on here behind the scenes is that Bublup is rolling all the items into a single web page, and you're gonna send a link. So check this out. I just sent it to my Bublup email. Email sent. Okay, let's go over to my email and see what we get. Okay, so the email came in. You see issue 25 here. That's the title of the folder in the email. So if I open it up, you're gonna see a sampling. You're gonna see some of the articles that I had in there. And then at the bottom, you're gonna see view the role with 22 shared items. If I tap on that, this goes over to Safari and literally creates a role. It's a single page website with all of your links. This is how you can send all this to somebody. So now it says issue 25 and all of the links are right here. You can tap on all of them and you can go into all of the information that's in there. Let me show you one other thing. This part of the email, this item is a Spotify playlist, right? So I make a little podcast for fun. This is a Spotify playlist. If I tap on this, it opens it directly up into Spotify. How cool is that? You just emailed that to somebody. I just think that's super cool. So that is emailing from Bublup. Think about how you can use this. You might create a whole role in an email, send it to somebody and they can critique it. Maybe it's your creative work. Maybe you're a photographer. Maybe you went on a vacation or a trip or an adventure and you want to share out all those files. Instead of sending all the folders, you just send an email with links to that and they can be viewed and downloaded from the other person on the other side. If you enjoy videos like this to see how you can use Bublup better in your everyday life, be sure to hit subscribe to this YouTube channel as we are making these videos all the time. My name is Wade Sellers and I will see you in the next video. Bye!